Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Zazzle easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type www.zazzle.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once the Zazzle homepage loads, locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to reveal the sign in options. Look for the Create Account link, which is often found beneath the sign in fields. Select Create Account to start the registration process. Now, you will see the registration form appear on your screen. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Choose a strong password and enter it in the appropriate box. Next, confirm your password by entering it again in the following field. You will also need to provide your display name. This is the name that will appear on your Zazzle profile. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. If you'd like to receive updates and offers, you can also check the box for email notifications. Once all fields are complete, hit the Create Account button at the bottom of the form. You may be prompted to confirm your email address. Check your email inbox for a confirmation message from Zazzle. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. After verification, return to the Zazzle homepage. Click on the Sign In button again and enter your credentials. You're now ready to explore and create on Zazzle. Enjoy designing and sharing your products. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.